Hello, happy open house 2020. I am Mr. Wild, and I teach the business classes here at North White. Looking forward to the start of what's hopefully going to be a normal school year. As the teacher, I will do my absolute best to help your students learn. I will be organized. I will not waste their time or mine. I will do my best to be consistent and fair. I will do my best to communicate clearly to parents at home and especially here in the classroom. I'll virtually guarantee this. I will say things more than twice. I believe in good communication. Your kids are going to hear things over and over and over and from me, so unless they're just zoning out, not paying attention at all, they should always know what's going on. And then I will expect your students to work hard and give their best effort. Now, I've not figured out a way to put a sheet there on the screen as I'm talking, so here you go. Here are my general expectations. Your kids are going to get a piece of paper that has this on the very first day of school, but so that you can see it as well. Here are Mr. Wild's general classroom expectations. It's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. But again, I generally don't compromise on these things. There's no reason to. My main expectation, just cooperate. I'm not going to ask your kids to do anything that's harmful or illegal. Everything that we're doing here is designed to benefit them and help them to learn. Just cooperate. And then a couple of true statements. Students, your learning is your responsibility. Your effort and your attitude are most important, and you control them both. I cannot. That old saying, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink. And that's very true. So I'll lead you to water. I'll lead you to information. I'll do my best to instruct, but we've got to have cooperation and hard work from the kids. Timing is important as well. The real world has deadlines, and we'll hold you accountable to that as well. Students, you need to get things done on time. And then some communication information there. Hopefully you can see it. My email, jwild@nwhite.k12.in.us. And school phone number, my extension is 3114. And again, your kids are going to get this piece of paper tomorrow, so they will know. It is important that you understand, I will not be tolerant or patient with misbehavior or disrespect. We're here to learn, and anything that negatively affects the learning environment in my classroom is unacceptable. So students, make sure you understand that, parents as well. Hopefully I won't be sending kids to Dr. Dean or phone calls and emails home as a result of that, because hopefully you'll choose to cooperate. It's extremely important that I or the school have accurate contact information, especially email. I do believe that that's the best way to communicate. There is a record of our conversation if we do that. And if we have e-learning, it's so incredibly important that we communicate well, that you as parents and students are faithful to communicate and respond to phone calls and to emails, so that we don't get behind and just have problems. Please be faithful to communicate well. Hopefully by next May, your child will come away with knowledge that will benefit them in the areas of business and finance and computers and careers. That's what I'm here for, and that's our goal. So I look forward to a great year. Students, we'll see you tomorrow.